The Caribbean may not be able to adequately respond to hurricanes this year as resources are being used to contain the spread of COVID-19. That's according to the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, SEDEMA. The agency says it's working on pandemic planning exercises to improve preparations. Giovanni Dennis reports.
COVID-19 is affecting everything from food and medical supply to sports and entertainment cancellations. As the Caribbean grapples with the coronavirus, another potential problem looms: hurricanes. The season begins June 1. Now, with resources being used to combat COVID-19, the region's capacity to respond to hurricanes will be impacted. Ronald Jackson is head of the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, SEDEMA.
Dealing with this problem going into the hurricane season, it will mean, therefore, that the emergency services will be stretched already. It will mean, therefore, that you may have personnel that are required for emergency response coordination who are out of commission because they are ill.
He says it's likely there will be a short supply of equipment should a hurricane hit anytime soon.
Given that these may also be employed in dealing with COVID or may be in short supply simply because of the disruption in the supply chain caused by a protracted COVID scenario.
Emergency responders may also be impacted.
Can we have the required numbers of personal protective equipment so that we are sending people in to operate safely? But are we also able to screen those who are identified so we're not sending people who themselves will cause a problem by reintroducing the COVID virus into those affected countries or communities? So these are things we have been discussing.
Mr. Jackson says a pandemic planning exercise scheduled for May is likely to be moved to April as SEDEMA looks to improve its capacity and readiness. He was speaking on Radio Jamaica's weekly news review program, That's a Wrap. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.